Hello, welcome to Cooking with DeepBluelazor, a brand new cut section from her daily vlog where you get to learn how to make the thing that she made for lunch. Alright, so today we are going to be making pizza chicken in a small crock pot. So we want a 2-quart crock pot, and then we want, they said 1 to 2 chicken breasts that have been cubed. I'm just doing canned because that's just easier for me. So you do that, and then you have an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce that you just dump on top of there. Then we need it says 2 garlic cloves. We need 2 garlic cloves. So I'm going to do, pardon me. It says 2 garlic cloves, so we're just going to do 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. It doesn't say minced, but I'm just going with it. 1. And 2. All right. Next, you're gonna do a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, or we're gonna do the Italian Cuisine Blend. We're gonna do probably, it was about 3 to 4 drops, I would say, of the Italian blend. And then we just kind of stir all of that together. There we go. Then we try and remember where the lid is. There's the lid. Alright, we get our lid on there. Alright, so we're going to do low heat. And you're going to want to do 3 to 4 hours, depending on how done you want to do it. Mine, since I used canned chicken, so it's technically already been cooked and just shredded, I'm just going to do 3 hours. But yeah, easy peasy. Alright, so our beautiful thing is done. All that's left now is to top it with some cheese. So if you want your cheese to be like completely melted, you can definitely put it into the crock pot like an hour before it's done cooking. Yes, Otis, we all love you. But I'm like, I just wanted to drizzle it on top and just like stir it in. But there we go. All that's left is to eat it. We'll see if I end up eating the entire thing or if I have leftovers.